Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the 101st running of the Service Motor Company Zero Turn Race. Here we go. And they're off. They had the front tires off, but they got all four tires back on the ground. We got a great crowd on hand. They are kicking up water as they are going by. You know, we've had a little rain the last couple days, but our grounds crew, they've done a great job. They got the track ready. Got one lap to go, Come around, turn number 4. Looks like it's gonna be neck and neck. It's gonna be close,
And he brings it home, Jordy Nelson has won.
And there he goes, he's taking his victory lap.
Geez, Jordy, I thought I had you. You know what can I say? Pretty good at comebacks.
If you're like Jordy and take your mowing seriously, be sure to stop by Service Motor Company today. Service Motor Company is your primary source for all your Kubota residential and commercial lawn mowing needs.